Hello, and let's have a look at EDCable ratchets. We have the Topeak, the Victorinox and the Wera. Let's look at weights. Wera with 56 grams. Victorinox with 34 grams. And Topeak with 28 grams. All three are very nicely made, and all three take 1/4 inch bits. In this particular trio, the Victorinox stands out because you have the flip it over for reverse, whereas the Topeak and the Wera, you can change the gear, and you need to somehow fix the bit in the Victorinox so you don't push it through. Oh dear, now it's lost. I put shrink wrap, shrink tube with glue inside on this one. It's a little bit more grippy and doesn't tend to get lost in the EDC tool bag. That's about it. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.